This is NexTechie Autonomo, the brief, your essential briefing on the intersection of automation, AI, and robotics. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the expansion of robotics and automation. You know, for a long time, we thought of robots as being stuck on a factory floor, right? Well, not anymore. We're seeing these incredibly sophisticated robots breaking out into the real world. I'm talking open oceans, farms, and even our hospitals. And they're totally reshaping some of our most critical industries. Let's jump into what's happening. First up, autonomous naval fleets. A company called Saronic is making a huge bet on unmanned ships. I mean, they're pouring $300 million into a shipyard just to mass produce them. And the U.S. Navy is all in, handing them a massive contract for autonomous maritime drones. The big picture here, we're shifting away from a few expensive, crude warships to lots of smaller, networked, autonomous vessels that can cover way more ground. Second, let's talk about farming. Robotics is solving some major challenges in food production. You've got these autonomous sprayers that use AI to target individual weeds with, get this, 6mm accuracy. That precision means they can cut chemical use by up to 95%. Think about what that does for costs and the environment. It's a huge deal. Finally, let's look at hospitals. Robots are becoming a huge part of the team. You have humanoids like Miroki handling logistics, giving directions, delivering pharmacy items, which frees up nurses and doctors. And it's not just about efficiency. In France, Miroki actually comforts kids during radiotherapy. Then, in the operating room, new surgical robots are making high-precision surgery more accessible and affordable all over the world. So, from the open ocean to the operating room, it's pretty clear. Autonomy isn't just some cool tech for the future, it's becoming an absolute necessity, the new standard for staying competitive.
This was NexTechie Autonomo, the brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.